how to set back tap or double tap to open the control center on the iPhone 16 series. First, let's return back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Then on the home screen, tap on Settings. Now from the main settings page, we scroll down and tap on Accessibility. After that, we scroll down and tap on Touch. Then scroll down to the bottom and tap on Back Tap. Next, in here you can choose to use double tap or triple tap. So I'm going to select double tap. And then we scroll down and select Control Center. And that's it. After you can swipe up to return back to the home screen. Now when you want to open up the control center, you can just double tap at the back here to open up the control center. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.